Good morning class 4th students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, very good. Now see, let us start another topic. As you can see, it's written here. The topic is unseen passage. Remember the name unseen passage. This we have done in class 3rd also. Okay, but before that, starting, let me tell you what is the meaning. Do you know what is the meaning of unseen passage? Okay, I'll tell you. Unseen means the thing which you are not familiar with. Unseen passage means it is a passage here, paragraph here, which it's not a part of your syllabus. It's not given in the literature book. It is a paragraph, but it is not given, it is not mentioned in the book. It has been taken from somewhere, some other book, which you are not familiar about. जिसके बारे में आप जानते नहीं, you are unaware about this passage, from where it has been. It is not a part of your literature book. So this is the meaning of unseen passage. This has been taken from some other book for you, and you have to read it carefully, and then you have to follow the questions which have been given here. So this is the paragraph, this is the passage, as you can see. And students, the method to solve this passage is that without wasting any time, it's a very scoring part, it's very interesting part, and the process is little bit different. In the book, what do you do? First you read the chapter, but here, due to the time limit, what we do, first we read the questions given here, and then we keep the questions in mind, and after that we read the passage, and immediately when the question click the word, we get the answer from the passage. So this is the process to solve the passage. So without wasting any time, we first read the questions, keep the questions in mind, and then when we start reading the passage, the answers start coming into our minds. Okay, so this is the process to solve the questions. So here you can see 3 questions are here, and after that a few exercises are there. When you will read them, and then when you will read the passage, you'll get the answers. So this is the meaning of unseen passage. Means the paragraph which you are not familiar with it, we are unaware about the passage, that from where it has been taken for you to do. It's very interesting. It is not a part of a literature books which you study. It has not been taken from there. It has been taken from some other book which you don't know about. Okay, so this is the thing, you do it. First you read the questions, and then you get the answer from this passage. And this work you have to do in your English 2 notebooks. You all have made the notebooks of English 2 grammar. So this you have to do as it is done here, in the way you have to do it in the notebook. I'll send you the clicks also, so that you can copy the passage easily. Okay students? Okay.